Alden Richard update. Ang ganap ni Alden. May business meeting si Alden. Kasama sila Sir Jerry. Saka si Sir Ben Chan ng Bench. Saka Alice D. Eduardo. Ayun, business-minded si Alden business meeting And sa The Manila Polo Club. Ayun yung meeting nila. Ayun Ang kulit pa nga ni Alden dyan Ang gwapo ni Alden Yung takbo para sa pelikulang Pilipino. Noel Pam, nice coming around. Ito yung speech ni Alden.
Good morning, 16 Gaylords! Let's go!
Mula sa Alden
Siyempre, first and foremost, gusto ko po magpasalamat sa lahat na pumunta ngayong araw na to. Of course, sa ngayon, 16K runners. Actually, sa 16K runners lang ako makakapagsalita because I will be running with you guys for today. So maraming salamat. Thank you for being here. Maraming salamat po sa pagtakbo para sa pelikulang Pilipino ngayong araw. And of course, this is brought to you by Myriad Entertainment Corporation. I would like to thank my team for this event. Of course, with our partner organizing team, the Green Media Race Management, Ms. Jenny. Maraming salamat. Grabe, ningal ako doon sa warm-up. Kala ko yun na yun tapos na ba? Pwede mo tulog. But again, thank you so much po. Maraming salamat sa pagtulong po sa Mobile Fund.
Another speech ni Alden.
What's up guys? Pagod na ba ang lahat? Hindi, joke lang. Wow guys, thank you so much. Wow, ang dami natin. Siyempre, first of all, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nakitakbo para sa pelikulang Pilipino. Di ba, Sean? Di ba, Sean the Sheep? So guys, maraming salamat po. And of course, to everyone who participated, to all the sponsors, most especially video. Sa mga taga-video, meron tayong 438 runners from video right now.
May mga medal.
Of course, special thanks to Miss Cora Malindi and Miss Cora's here. Miss Cora's, I love you so much. Maraming salamat po. And sa lahat po ng mga celebrity friends po natin na nandito ngayon, thank you so much for being here, for participating. Ito si Martin Palumpalo kanina, parang second podium mark ka pa sa 16K. Second place ka pa, huwag kang pa-humble, kita But anyway, sobrang grateful lang po kaming lahat, most especially sa Myriad Entertainment Corporation, of course sa Mobile Fund, and definitely, of course, our partner organizers sa Green Media Race Management. For everyone's participation today, we're just very happy with the outcome. There are hurdles here and there. This is our first time. Actually, this is the first time of my company to mount a fun run, but I think this will definitely be not the last. So, marami pa kayong fun run na asahan sa amin. Magti-teaser na ako actually sa December. So, block nyo na yan. Meron tayo for December. Pero surprise pa yan. I mean, kung para saan. Pero definitely, it's gonna be a fun run that we're gonna be mounting again. So again, to all our sponsors, marami tayong booths. Meron tayong Mobile Fund booth right there. Of course, yung photo wall natin na palong-palo, pwede rin tayo magpa-picture doon. At of course, doon sa mga tumulong po sa amin para to make this possible, nagpapasalamat po. So, yun po, hindi ko na pahabain. Thank you so much. I'm just so happy. I'm so overwhelmed right now. And you don't know how much this means to us, to everyone who was involved in mounting this fun run. Sobrang laking bagay po namin sa amin nito. Na-inspire po kami ninyo. And the bricks, ang ating barefoot diva na nakadar ng costume. Congratulations. Nag-16K siya, barefoot. So, we're just very happy po. Ayaw ko na pong patagalin. Ilang beses ko na inulit. Pero andyan din si Tanjiro. Panish, diba? So, thank you so much guys. Have a good rest of your day. And maraming salamat for running the lights, camera, run. Thank you.
Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is with your reaction live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.